Okay children, let's start with chapter 6, Sam and the Secret Call. Writer we don't know, so you have to write writer unknown. Sam and his parents have been coming to the same island every summer, ever since he could remember. They always stay in the same small house, which has a fantastic view of the glittering sea. The first evening back on the island, Sam and his family decide to go to their favorite island restaurant, Ocean. While they are eating dinner, Dominic, the head waiter, tells them about his cousin Armando. He says that Armando has a boat and can take Sam swimming with the dolphins. Armando even has a secret call that brings the dolphins to him. Sam is very excited to hear this. The next day, Sam's family takes him to meet Armando. Okay, Sam is the name of a boy who used to come to the same island every summer with his parents. They used to stay in the same house. Why? Because from there they can see the fantastic view of glittering sea. They decided to go to their favorite island restaurant, Ocean. Ocean is the name of restaurant. Okay. While they are eating dinner, Dominic, the head waiter, tells them about his cousin Armando. When they were eating their dinner, Dominic is the name of waiter. He tells them about his cousin Armando. He says that Armando has a boat and can take Sam swimming with the dolphins. He says that Armando can take Sam for swimming with the dolphins. And Armando also has a secret call to call the dolphins. So after hearing this, Sam is very excited. He also wants to go. So next day, Sam's family takes Sam to meet Armando. Now, it was time to go. Sam waved goodbye to his family as the little boat chugged out to sea. So, Sam goes with Armando and family waves goodbye to Sam. Chugged out means moved slowly towards the sea. Move the boat towards the sea. Okay. Armando threw him a life jacket. Put this on, he said. I promised your mother that you will wear this. Armando said to Sam that you have to put on life jacket because he has promised his mother. Lying on the small deck with the chugging of the boat in the ears and a gentle sea breeze fanning his face, Sam almost fell asleep. At last, Armando's voice brought him wide awake. So, Sam was lying in the boat and feeling gentle sea breeze on his face. So, at that time he felt asleep. Armando's voice wake him up. Okay, Sam, we here now. Yes, help me drop the anchor, please. So, Armando said, Sam, we are here. You help me to drop the anchor. What is anchor? Anchor is a heavy object which is dropped into the sea to stop the boat moving. Okay. Armando and Sam dragged the heavy anchor to the side of the boat and then heaved it into the water. So they dragged the heavy anchor to the side of the boat and then pushed. Heaved means pushed boat into the water. Now we whistle for the dolphins, Armando said. Armando said that now we can whistle for the dolphins. Armando put his thumbs together and blew thinly through the gap between them. A strange noise came out, half between a whistle and the hoot of an owl. So, when he put his thumbs together and started blowing the whistle, it was neither a voice. Which voice came out? It was neither a perfect whistle nor the hoot of an owl. It was between somewhere. Sam copied Armando exactly, but when he blew, no sound came at all. But when Sam copied Armando, same whistle, he couldn't do. Voice didn't come. I tell you, it is difficult, laughed Armando. Armando said, it is difficult to blow the whistle. He made the strange whistling noise again. Again that same strange whistling noise he made. Look, cried Armando, pointing. Here they come. Sam couldn't believe his eyes. On the horizon, heading straight for the boat, was a small school of dolphins. So, when Armando whistled, Sam saw that school of dolphins, school here is collective noun, came towards their boat. There was 12 of them. How many dolphins came? 12. And they were leaping through the water and crisscrossing each other. Leaping means they were jumping through the water and crisscrossing. Crisscrossing means like this. We can see crisscross. Now I show you something, said Armando. Armando threw a fish out of the boat and a dolphin leapt into the air and caught it. And when Armando threw one fish out of the boat, one dolphin jumped into the air and caught. Please, please, may I swim with them? Begged Sam. Sam started begging that, can I swim with them? Sure, jump right in, laughed Armando. So Sam dove into the water. So when he insisted Armando that he can also swim, Sam said, yes, you can jump into the water. A few dolphins leaped through the air, then dived just below the surface while Sam swam alongside. The other dolphins swam close by as if trying to catch them. It was most amazing game Sam had ever played. So he started playing game with the dolphins. He swam and played with the dolphins for a long time until he finally heard Armando's voice from the boat. He was playing and swimming. At that time he heard Armando's voice from the boat. Sam, you must come abroad now. We must go back. He said. Armando said, now you must come back. We should go. Sam climbed abroad as Armando started the engine and turned the boat around. You have a good time, yes, asked Armando. Armando asked that you have a good time. You had a good time. The best time of my life, replied Sam. Sam was so much happy that he said, yes, this is the best time of my life. Please teach me the whistle to call them. I promise I won't tell anyone else. So now Sam is saying that, please Armando, teach me whistle like you are blowing. And he also promised that he will not tell anyone else. Armando thought for a moment. Then he sat on the deck and showed Sam the exact position of the thumb should be in the exact pressure. Now Armando showed how he will whistle. Okay, children, till here only today.